This Dredging Operations Environmental Research Project 1911 supports the security of the nation's ports and harbors and the sustainability of the Army Corps dredging mission by modernizing environmental compliance decision support. While the Code of Federal Regulations requires physical, chemical, and toxicological characterization of respective dredge material prior to open water disposal, current national guidance is more than 30 years old. Inconsistent, incomplete, and/or inappropriate analysis and reporting associated with dredging assessments coupled with overburdened staff results in project delays and disputes over testing requirements, reanalysis, and recollection of data. Therefore, this project modernizes historic guidance documents and automates the environmental compliance aspects of dredging evaluation guidance into an electronic software executable called Dredging Evaluation Management Analysis and Network Documentation Tool, or DEMAND. This section of the video guides a user on how to download and install DEMAND. This includes use of the platform Docker Desktop, which is available in the ACIT portal, and an acceptable software item for other federal agencies. Also note that the opening screen allows save, import, and export features so that your DEMAND experience can be saved and revisited or shared with others. After launching the tool, relevant information can be entered, such as the district, harbor, evaluation year, and other project detail. The user may also define their own dredge material management units and the expected shoaling volume of that management unit. The user can also define their contaminant of potential concern list by clicking the checkboxes. This includes typically analyze for contaminants of concern classes. Also note that the user can define contaminants of potential concern that are not listed, which could include emerging contaminants not currently considered. As with the sediments, contaminants of potential concern can be defined for the water. As a time-saving step, all of the listed contaminants of concern can be applied to all DMMUs, or the user can define different COCs for each DMMU. Each of the predefined DMMUs will be selected, and the user will be guided through the DEMAND parameters for each DMMU independently. Questions will be asked about what is historically known about the prospective test materials. For instance, physical characteristics of the test sediment, such as coarse material and scouring flow areas, may qualify a material for testing exclusions. In other cases, full testing and analysis may be needed, either due to lack of historic information, inconsistent or conflicting results, or events that have occurred that may have changed the material, such as storm events or new industrial activity. In such cases, physical and chemistry data may be obtained through field collection of materials, and DEMAND guides the user through which contaminants of concern were and were not detected, which guides future logic. In many cases, the test material consists of finer materials and in depositional areas, which is more relevant to fully assess. The tool offers the user guidance on how to select the most relevant test organism based on the sediment characteristics so that testing artifacts are not encountered. The tool can be used to enter actual data from the bioassays, or the user can simply enter data into the partnered tool, Devoid, described in another video. A major cost savings offered by the tool is defined logic in what contaminants of concern to analyze in bioaccumulation testing, which is often a more expensive test performed in 103 and 404 evaluations. The tool offers a project checklist so that the user can ensure that nothing is missed and can communicate that all analyses were performed. Also of great value, the tool offers a documentation and reporting function that is easily downloadable. This records every decision and analysis during the particular dredging evaluation. It also records stakeholder consensus and other decisions so that the same issues are not continuously revisited. The content of the tool was iteratively improved through several in-person stakeholder workshops with Army Corps districts.